Hey, it's Paul from HowToNetwork.com. Just wanted to give you a few ideas for side hustles as a newly qualified CompTIA Network Plus engineer. It's a great idea to do alongside a full-time job. The first one is network design. When you've passed your CompTIA Network Plus, you can definitely design IP addressing for small to medium-sized networks. You can plan which devices go where to put their firewalls and servers, and how to allocate subnets and VLANs. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you can see more videos like this. The next side hustle is remote access. So this is for employees who want to work from home or salespeople who work on the road and they need to securely connect in to the network from remote locations. You can configure access and all the required security settings. Next is wireless. I'm sure you use wireless at home, but most small businesses want Wi-Fi access for various parts of the network. As a Network Plus engineer, you'll be able to configure Wi-Fi security, the authentication settings, and where in the office they can put their wireless devices. Next is security. Obviously you won't be a security expert, but a CompTIA Network Plus engineer can configure basic network security. They can lock down devices with secure passwords. They can configure various authentication protocols like TACACS. You can configure wireless security, and you can set in place password procedures for all of the devices. The next side hustle is configuring routing for small networks. So obviously it's an advanced requirement. So if you do Cisco CCNA and CCNP, you can do BGP, but for small businesses, you can configure static routes, simple routing protocols. You can design all of their subnets, so the small to medium-sized enterprise business can route between their different VLANs. The next side hustle is install a network for small business. So you should be able to install the switches, servers, all of the cabling and the wireless devices as we already mentioned. Again, this will be for smaller businesses, but it's definitely something you can consider. Next is configuring a server. The CompTIA Network Plus now covers Windows Server and some Linux, and it's pretty easy to configure nowadays. You just go in and configure IP addresses, follow the graphic user interface, and you should be able to configure the DNS and email and web servers. Also consider doing remote or part-time network support for companies. So if they have a problem, you can go in and configure or fix it, or you can do remote support or add any patching to the servers or updates to PCs. If you're considering doing the Network Plus, please come over to HowToNetwork.com. We've got over 30 courses for members, they're all included. All of our courses, including the CompTIA Network Plus, come with follow-along labs, so we show you how to configure and install and support all of the equipment that you need to. There's also a ton of practice exams, so you can do the practice exams on the website and prepare for the real thing. And here's an example of us just doing one of the TCP/IP exams. So this is HowToNetwork.com. There's a link in the description. So that's all for me. I hope it helps, and thanks for watching.